Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is Dr. Dow, the Prevention Advocate. And I'm on this morning with this week's Acknowledge Nugget. And so this is different for me. Going live is very different for me this morning. And so I thank you all for joining me. And I'm actually going live from also Instagram. And so this is, again, new for me. So bear graciously with me. Um, as we talk about today, we're going to talk about restoration. And it is actually this week's Acknowledge Nugget. Okay. And so, yes, let's let's dive in. Let's dive in. Okay, so I want to talk about restoration in several ways. And so, good morning, Instagram. We're dual this morning. We are live on YouTube and Instagram. So, good morning on Instagram. Okay, and so restoration. This is what I want you to ask yourself. It's actually a reflective question. It's this week's Acknowledge Nugget. And restoration, what does restoration really look like? And so, restoration looks like new paths. It looks like unselfish concerns. And so, a lot of times, we tend to compare restoration. We uh, sometimes compare how ours look with others. And so today's Acknowledge Nugget is just a reminder, it's just a friendly reminder that restoration is a process. And everybody's process is different. It depends on times, it depends on your season, it depends on personal circumstances, it depends on what's going on, not just in, your intimate life, your personal life, but also, your professional life, your public life. And so being mindful that restoration is a process. It's not always quick, it's not always fast, it's not always in a hurry. A lot of times it's gradual, it's done over time. Okay. And everybody process is different. And so what process is normally typically a series of actions and motions, right? Meaning you have to move in something. You got to move. A lot of times movement causes change. And so that's what the process is. It's a series of different changes. And sometimes those changes are not comfortable. And sometimes new things can make you you know, a little bit prickly, right? But it's good for you. And so, something that I want you to just take today as we've come to the end of the week. We actually are rolling into the end of this month to think about, restoration is a process, and take some time and reflect and ask yourself today, how am I being restored? Right? How are some things that's once off track, or some things that was once maybe buried alive, some things that was once, going in the wrong direction? How are those things being restored? And then taking consideration and some time to think and to consider again, your process of restoration may not look like your neighbors, right? Some comes quick, Some can come, faster than others, but gradually, restoration comes. And most times, when you're being restored, when you are taking new paths, right? When you are changing perspective and you switching your focus, from selfish concerns to unselfish concerns. And, you're thinking more peaceful, you're thinking more wisely, you're thinking more stable, you know, think about how that looks for you while not comparing yourself to others. And so I just wanted to get on and share that restoration is a process. Trust the process. A lot of times we like to skip the process. We like to skip steps, right? We want something. A lot of times we want things overnight, but a lot of times great change, good change, permanent change, consistent change, positive change does not come overnight. Okay. And restoration is a process. And so trust the process. Don't ignore it. Don't disregard it because it's something new. And a lot of times new things again make you seem and feel uncomfortable, because it's new. And so today's a good day to change your perspective. And again, I want you to take some time and take some notes, if you choose, but to jot down this question, how am I being restored? Right? How that looks for you. Again, it may not look like anybody else's, but ask yourself, how are you being restored? Because if you're alive today, you still have purpose, you still have destiny, and something was restored. Something was restored. And a lot of times we look for things in great, big, 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 big ways, but don't despise the little things. Take a fine-tooth comb and go over your life as it has been the last couple of weeks of this new year. And ask yourself again this simple question. It could, bring a different perspective on where you at in life. How am I being restored? But also remembering, again, restoration is a process. And so if yours is just beginning, trust the process. If you're in the middle of it, trust the process. If yours have not begun, trust the process. At any day now, it can get started. Okay. But restoration is a process. And every day we are some way, in some capacity. If you wake up in the morning with breath in your body, you are being restored. But remembering that it is a process. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. There is a summarization of what we just talked about on YouTube. So Instagram and Facebook, I'm also going live on YouTube. And so in order to see that summarization, you will have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's all consistent. Dr. Dow, the prevention advocate. And so go subscribe, like, share this with someone, and be encouraged. Be encouraged. As again, we come to an end of the month and it is the weekend. All right. Be encouraged to consider again how you are being restored. Okay. Until next time, it is always great to hop on, check in. This is Dr. Dow, the prevention advocate, and peace.